most memorable moment from playing basketball in the past?
Jai, do you have any memorable experiences
Talagang
before?
oras mag-isip ko sa dulo. Siguro yung first time ko din playing at the Big Dome. So parang hindi comeback, pero I guess a full circle moment na magkaroon ulit ng chance na makapaglaro sa Big Dome.
So this is your second time?
Second nga ba? Yeah, I guess. Parang second ko yata.
Okay.
So, kaya iba talaga yung energy. Kaya yung sinasabi namin, like nila Lance na, because we've been there, iba talaga yung feeling playing there. No? Especially kapag andyan na yung mga tao, you know that you know your fans are out there supporting you. Minsan nakakalimutan mo na yung sense na may kakampi ako. Yung mga inaral nyo for the past weeks na or for the past trainings na ginagawa ninyo, makakalimutan nyo lahat yun kapag nagpadala kayo dun sa vibe nung Araneta. So this time around, sinasabi din namin sa kanila na you just gotta stay relaxed and let the game come to you. Pero yun talagang memorable sa akin yun, yung playing sa Araneta and kasi iba sure yung moment talaga siya. Dahil gaya nga ng sabi ni Amiel na parang una, pangangarap mo lang maglaro sa Araneta. Tapos this time, lalaro ka ulit. No? So imagine that na it's a childhood dream come true talaga para sa aming lahat dito. So, yeah.
Love that for you, Jai. How about you, Lance?
Most memorable po siguro palarong pambansa po. Being able to represent the Davao region dati and being able to play with like the stars of Philippine basketball ngayon like sila David Defonso, JD Kagulangan. Sobrang lang po yung experience yun sa akin na makapagpalarong pambansa po dati. And syempre wearing the Ateneo jersey po.
Of course, what a beautiful court memory. How about you, Joseph?
I guess one of the best games of my basketball career was when we played in Winnipeg, Canada. So parang yun, sobrang memorable sa akin kasi I was so blessed with such a good game. And siguro yung isa pa na actually kasama ko si Gab nung nag-New Zealand kami. Sobra lang yung bonding nung team namin dun sa trip namin and yeah, it's very memorable.
For me, I have a lot, pero a couple would be, I guess 2 years ago when the Chasing in the Wild team, we played the LPU college in front of the school. That was pretty cool. And also, when I was a big PBA fan rin, big San Miguel fan, kami ng lolo ko, and then I played with the PBA players sa Ormoc, with sila Kuya Dondon Ontiveros, and then sila Arvin Santos, Willie Miller, like playing with the PBA players that you used to look up to, and then now you get to play with them in front of people. Such a big privilege. And yun nga, also the out of the country games, we're just lucky to play the sport that we love and get to enjoy it.
Wow, for sure. Rabin?
Ako po, pinaka-memorable siguro sa akin nung bata ako, parang halos everyday ako nasa court, parang 6 a.m. pa lang naglalaro na ako doon, tapos nakapaalang ako. Maghapon kami naglalaro, tapos sugat-sugat na yung paa ko, tapos nagpupustahan kami para sa tubig. Iyon siguro, yung kung paano po ako nagsimula dati. Wala pa akong pabili sa sapatos.
Yung mga humble beginnings, no? Alright, Marco?
I started basketball like last year, so I'm very new to basketball. But my favorite memory of basketball is like whenever Lance and he would like teach me drills at the third floor gym. And then it's like, we try to be competitive, but like sometimes I do get, better at defense. So, no, I think I'm really getting better because of Lance on defense. So I'm getting like Ateneo training, and that's what I'm bringing to the game. Okay, anyways.
Alright, thank you so much. Team Your Records, kayo naman, ano yung mga core memory ninyo, most unforgettable experiences?
Ako honestly, lahat ng liga na nilaruan ko before talaga memorable para sa akin. Every time na naglalaro ako ng basketball, talaga ngayon, sobrang happy ako eh. Kasi talaga yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa akin. Pero yung pinaka-memorable sa akin is yung nagsimula ako sa basketball nung bata ako. And nung time na yun, binubuhat pa ako ng tatay ko kahit na mismo nasa liga. Kasi kung saan ko binabato yung bola, no one time nabato ko sa tao, tapos kinuha ko ng referee, tapos nilabas ako sa court. And yun yung memorable sa akin.
Foreshadowing, no? Emil.
Oh, I don't have a specific memory, pero I think yung mga friendship lang ano ko sa mga friends ko. And yun talaga yung bonding namin, yung mga kaibigan ko growing up. So, more than the sport itself, it's the bond that has created in my life.
Thank you. Rob?
Ako yung maglaro ng basketball since elementary hanggang high school. Ayun, kaya na-miss ko yung pagiging competitive rin and dito ko siya malalabas ulit sa Viva All-Star Team. And, ayun lang naman.
Adi?
Ako po siguro yung favorite moment. High school, siguro nung nag-try out ako for varsity. And during that time, parang wala akong idea kung anong pwede kong magawa sa basketball court. Alam ko marunong lang ako mag-dribble. Tapos eventually yun, binigyan ako ng chance ng coach ko. Shoutout kay Coach Marvic Vasquez. Ayan. Tinuruan niyo ako kung paano, yung mga fundamentals. So feeling ko kung hindi nangyari yun, hindi ko mamahalin yung basketball sa pagmamahal ko ngayon. Anyway, share ko lang.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you, Ms. Charmy. Appreciate that. Up next, we have from Marites University, Sir June Nardo. Hi, Sir June.